The Gnaala Mia Campground, in Dryandra woodland, is a mere 2 hours drive from Perth CBD and has a wide range of campsites suitable for tents, camper vans and even larger sized caravans. The camp is 1 kilometre west of the York to Williams Road, and it's almost directly opposite Congelin Campground. Both sites are part of the Dryandra Woodland Nature Reserve. Gnaala Mia Campground offers 27 caravan bays and 8 tent sites, separated and signposted as Loop 1 and Loop 2. Please be aware that this campground may get busy, especially during weekends and holidays. You should identify alternative accommodation in case there are no campsites available when you arrive. This woodland campground has been carefully planned out. To protect native animals, no pets are allowed at this campground. Camping fees do apply and are as follows: adults $15 each per night. Adults with concession are $10 each, and there is a standard child fee of $5. There are no concessions. Fees as of May 2024. Gnaala Mia Campground is non-bookable and operates on a first-come, first-served basis. There are water tanks attached to the camp kitchens, but water availability and quality cannot be guaranteed, so visitors should always bring their own water. This is the exact kind of environment where you'll find Numbats. We've seen quite a few in this exact spot, behind camping site number 3, but you can find them throughout the entire campground. The campground is a great place to see marsupials and birds, but please do not feed them. If you are lucky, you may see Numbats and Echidnas. These speedy little guys are pretty shy and easily spooked. Echidnas' front feet have 5 flattened claws which are used to dig forest litter, burrow, and tear open termite mounds. While they might look fearsome because of their spiny exterior, these slow-moving animals are actually quite shy. Woylies are also a very common sight after dark and will often visit. There is a wide range of bird life here too, at different times of the year, and a small fraction of these may include curlews, tree creepers, red-breasted robins, black cockatoos and pink and grey gullas, magpies and kookaburras. Walking through nature's wonderland is both peaceful and tranquil. Please take some time to absorb its magic. All of the campsites are generously sized. Even the tent ones are very big. They are all flat and extremely easy to drive in and out of. Facilities available include splendid camp kitchens, gas barbecues, and each campsite has a picnic table, benches and an open fire pit. The area is very quiet and peaceful, even when it's busy. An early walk around the camp, waving good morning to other campers, is a beautiful, peaceful way to start the day. This campground is bushier than Conjulan campground across the road. If you enjoy bushwalking with changing scenery, there's a very changeable 3-kilometre walk trail that starts at the information centre and circles around the campground to an old fire lookout and back. enjoying a meal in this wonderful setting, surrounded by trees, and the sounds of the woodlands, is just magical, and the main part of why we love camping here. How could you not fall in love with this special place? Animals dig around the roots here, so there are many holes. Be careful when you are walking. We also had a lovely group of crazy campers who wished us a nice day on the way out.
You are in the video.
Have a great day.
Okay, you are in the video.
Bye.
Yes. Video.
Have a great day.